I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play red versus blue in Call of Duty Warzone. This concept refers to the core team-based combat where two opposing sides clash. To play, simply join any team-based mode like Battle Royale or Resurgence. Your team will be assigned a color, and your goal is to work together, communicate effectively, and outmaneuver the enemy team to achieve victory. Focus on supporting your squadmates and completing the mission. The red team often embodies an aggressive and offensive approach on the battlefield. Players on this side typically prioritize pushing forward, initiating gunfights, and quickly eliminating enemy threats. Their strength lies in coordinated assaults and maintaining constant pressure on the opposing team. If you enjoy fast-paced action and leading the charge, playing with an aggressive red team mindset might be your preferred style. Focus on quick rotations and securing key areas. Conversely, the blue team often excels through strategic planning and a more defensive posture. Players on this side typically focus on holding crucial objectives, setting up ambushes, and controlling the flow of the match. Their strength comes from calculated movements and reacting effectively to enemy pushes. If you prefer thoughtful gameplay, setting traps, and outsmarting opponents, a strategic blue team approach could be more rewarding for you. Communication is key for successful defense. So which team is better, red or blue? The truth is, neither is inherently superior. It entirely depends on your personal playstyle and what you enjoy most. If you thrive on aggressive pushes and constant action, the red team's offensive mindset might suit you perfectly. However, if you prefer calculated strategies, holding ground, and outsmarting opponents, the blue team's tactical approach could be more rewarding. Try both styles to discover which one maximizes your fun and effectiveness in Warzone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.